Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question and it says square root of a into square root of a into square root of a equals to 128. So we are going to find the solution of a from that equation. So we are given square root of a into square root of a into square root of a equals to 128. So what we are going to do is for us to square both sides. So this will become square root of a into square root of a into square root of a all to the power of 2 equals to 128 all to the power of 2. So from here you can see that these two will cancel here and these two will cancel this square root. So we are now left with a times square root of a into square root of a equals to 128 to the power of 2. So again, we need to square this both sides again. So this will become, these two will also multiply by here. So this will become a to the power of 2. These two will cancel here and these two cancel here. So this will become a, then square root of a equals to 128 to the power of 4. So here is 2 times 2 becomes 4. So here we can also square both sides again. So this will become, we square here and also square here. So this left hand side, we have a to the power of 2 squared will become a to the power of 4. So we have a root a to the power of 2 will give us a to the power of 2 when this one cancel here and this one will go here. So we have a equals to, this is 128. 4 times 2 will give us to the power of 8. You can see that we have done away with the root. So this will recall a law of indices that says when we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n is same thing as a to the power of m plus n. So in this case, this left hand side will become a to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 because a here is a to the power of 1 equals to 128 to the power of 8. So in that case, we move over to this other side. We have a to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to a to the power of 7 equals to 128 to the power of 8. So what we are going to do for us to find the value of a is to multiply by the inverse of this power, where we have a to the power of 7 all to the power of 1 all over 7 equals to 128 to the power of 8 all to the power of 1 all over 7. So in this case, 7 will go here and 7 will go here. We are now left with a equals to 128 to the power of 8 times 1 all over 7. So this is a equals to 128 8 over 7 to the power of 8 all over 7. So here, 128 is same thing as 2 to the power of 7. So we have a equals to 2 to the power of 7. Then we have times to the power of 8 all over 7. Here, 7 will go here and 7 will go here. We are now left with a equals to 2 to the power of 8. We all know that 2 to the power of 8 equals to 256. So the value of our a equals to 256. So this is the value of a that we have, and it satisfies this expression. We can use another method for us to see whether we still have the value of a as 256. So before we do that, we need to clean this. So from here, we have method 2. So we are still having square root of a into square root of a into square root of a equals to 128. So here we can separate each of these. This will become square root of a times square root into square root of a times square root into square root into square root of a equals to 128. So this is this other side, this is what it becomes. Though this is the same thing as square root of a is the same thing as a to the power of 1 all over 2 times a all to the power of 1 all over 2 all to the power of 1 all over 2. This one will become times a to the power of 1 all over 2 to the power of 1 all over 2, then all to the power of 1 all over 2 equals to 128. So here will become a to the power of 1 all over 2 times, this is the same thing as a to the power of 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. We have a to the power of 1 all over 2 times 1 over all over 2 times 1 all over 2 equals to 128. So this become a to the power of 1 all over 2 times a to the power of 1 all over 2 times 2 is 4 times a to the power of 1 all over 2 times 2 become 1 all over 8 equals to 128. So in this case, we recall a law of indices that say when we have a to the power of m times a raised to the power of n equals to a raised to the power of m plus n. So in that case, we are going to express this in this format. So this will become a to the power of 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 8 equals to 128. So here, this is the same thing as having 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 8. Looking for the LCM of this denominator, we have it as 8. So 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 4 times 1 will give us 4. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. So we have 4 plus 2, which is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will become 7 over 8. So this will become a to the power of 7 all over 8 equals to 128. So in that case, we need to come over to this other side. So here, from here we have a to the power of 7 over 8 equals to 128. So here what we need to do is for us to multiply by the inverse of this power of a. This will become a to the power of 7 all over 8 all to the power of 8 all over 7. How do we get this? When we have 7 over 8, then the inverse of 7 over 8 will become 1 divided by 7 over 8. So this is the same thing as having 1 divided by 7 over 8. To change this division into multiplication sign, this other side will turn upside down. So this will become 1 times 8 all over 7. Multiplying this, 1 times 8 will become 8 all over 7. So that is why we have 8 all over 7. So in that case, this right hand side will also multiply by 128 multiply by the power of 8 all over 7. So here 7 will cancel here and 7 will cancel here, 8 will cancel and 8 will cancel. A equals to 128 to the power of 8 all over 7. This will become A equals to 128 is same thing as 2 to the power of 7 all to the power of 8 all over 7. You can see that we have A equals to 2 to the power of 7 times 8 all over 7. 7 will go here and 7 will go here. We have the value of A equals to 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 is same thing as A equals to 256. So this is the value of A that we have. You can see that from the second method, we have A as 256, where the first method, we still have A as 256. Therefore, the value of A or the solution of A here satisfy this equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.